Well, g'day everyone, I'm in the kitchen. I'm just about to make my smoothie that I have after every training session in the morning. And I always try and have this 30 minutes just after my training session. So I'm going to show you what ingredients I use in my smoothies. They're absolutely awesome. I love them. And I look forward to actually having this every morning after my training session. It is one of the things that motivates me a little bit during my training session because I just love these things. Now this smoothie makes 1.25 litres, so it's quite a lot, but I find this a really good boost for recovery after I've done my training session. So let's have a look at what I put in my smoothies, and you can get some idea from that. So here's the ingredients. So first of all, I put in 1 whole banana, and obviously that's giving me good fibre and potassium and a bit of protein as well. And then in here I've got 100% raw peanut butter. I put just 1 teaspoon of peanut butter in the smoothie because it gives me good essential fats. Got some lemon juice that I squeeze in. This is organic honey, really good one from sourced from here in Mexico. And I put in about 1.5 teaspoons of the organic honey. Then we've got some berries, blueberries. I love blueberries, really good antioxidants, so that's very good for the smoothie. Then we've got some Greek yogurt. I put in about 2 tablespoons of the Greek yogurt. And then we've got some oats, and I put in about 4 tablespoons, which is about 35 grams of oats. Then we've got 3 raw eggs, and we've got a pinch of salt that I put in there as well to help with electrolytes. So those are the ingredients that I put in my smoothie. And one last thing I put in before I blend it all up, and that is 20 ice cubes. Yes, I live in Cancun, so it's very hot here. And I love putting the ice cubes into the smoothie. Now the thing I will say is that after I've had the smoothie, I feel really good. It's the first food that I've had since I've woken up, so I am doing intermittent fasting. So I have my last meal of the previous day at about 4 o'clock, and then I wait until about 8 o'clock in the morning before I have my my smoothie. So that gives me the 16-hour intermittent fasting timeline. So yeah, that's how I have my smoothie, and then I don't eat again until about 11 o'clock in the morning. So I've got about 3 hours until my next meal, and this absolutely gets me through. After I have this, I start hydrating with water, lemon juice and salt, so electrolytes. I make my own electrolytes here at home, and I keep topping that up throughout the day, drinking around about 3 litres to 3.5 litres of that per day as well. So there we go, that's my awesome smoothie. So give it a try if you want. Let me know how it goes. I'd be really interested to hear what you think of it. Okay, see you again soon. Bye-bye.